the alphabet animals. A is for the alligator who baked a great big pie. B is for the bear who ate it and said, "My, oh my." C is for the cat who painted stripes so neat. D is for the dog who danced on happy feet. E is for the elephant who built a little boat. F is for the fox who helped it stay afloat. G is for the giraffe who strummed a bright guitar. H is for the hedgehog who hummed both near and far. I is for the iguana who made ice cream so tall. J is for the jaguar who quickly ate it all. K is for the kangaroo who flew a kite up high. L is for the llama who cheered, "Yay, touch the sky." M is for the monkey who mailed a note one day. N is for the newt who said, "Let's come out and play." O is for the otter who found a treasure chest. P is for the penguin who thought that find was best. Q is for the quail who sewed a quilt with care. R is for the rabbit who snuggled under there. S is for the squirrel who strummed a happy tune. T is for the turtle who tapped along till noon. U is for the unicorn who painted umbrellas new. V is for the vulture who splashed them bright with blue. W is for the whale who wore a crown so grand. X is for the xeris who waved from the sand. Y is for the yak who yodeled, "Hip, hip, hooray." Z is for the zebra who zipped in to play. The end!